Anyway.
CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger is with us. Jill, good morning.
Good morning.
A 13-digit value mark. Can they keep this up?
Well, I guess that they can keep it up for as long as the market is there. They've got great products. One thing that really has happened that's different under Tim Cook than his predecessor, Steve Jobs, he has been a much more involved CEO with the financial management of this company, buying back shares, declaring dividends, and he's also obviously trying to expand the services part of Apple when they don't have a killer product. They haven't had a killer product since 2007 when the iPhone was released. But I would never bet against Apple, with all due respect to that man, Mr. Wayne.
Jill, let's talk about how and why Apple has such a large market cap. The market value of Bank of America, Boeing, AT&T, Walt Disney, Volkswagen, and Ford combined is about equal to that of Apple. Is it a good thing for a company to be that big?
Sometimes when you get so big, you lose some creativity. That was some kind of the rap when Tim Cook took over in 2011. How are they going to actually move forward? Are they going to lose their design elements? Are they going to be less creative? But I would also point out this is a trend in technology stocks specifically and the broader market. We refer to something called the FANG stocks. It's Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google parent Alphabet. Now, if you look at those 5 stocks, they account for about half of the S&P 500 index's gains for the year. Yeah. So this is a domination of technology, and within tech, huge firms continue to dominate, at least until regulators.
Is that an artificial high, though, if it's just 5 companies that are keeping the market where it is?
Well, it's not artificial. It is the numbers of the numbers, but we know that if those companies stumble, we could see a big reaction across the whole market.
At its peak, Jill, if you go back to the last giant in this country, which was GM, they had 600,000 employees. Apple has 120,000. What does that tell us about where we are?
I think it tells us that service and even product developers are finding much cheaper ways to put their goods out to the marketplace. And incrementally, all that money that actually is saved on labor falls to the bottom line. So who gets that money? Shareholders. So we talk about the difference between shareholders getting value and labor getting value. In this case, it's a great illustration. Labor is on the short end of the stick. Doesn't mean that Apple doesn't have well-paid people, just not a lot of them.
Right.
Jill, thank you.
Sure.